In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Smart TV Remote in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you the most convenient way to control your Smart TV remotely with any mobile device. So this is going to work as long as you are able to download a specific application on your device. By using this app, you will be able to remotely control your Samsung TV. So the app that I'm talking about is going to be SmartThings. So download the SmartThings app and you will be able to connect not only your Samsung Smart TV, but also any other Samsung device that you would like to connect through and manage on your smart device. So once you have the SmartThings app, open it up and immediately you will be able to set up your home. This is something that is optional. You don't have to do this, but if you want to attach one TV to the living room and then another TV to another room, you will be able to set them up here. Now, all that you have to do is tap the plus sign at the top right. You will be able to choose to add a Samsung device, and if you scroll down the list, you will find TV. So choose the option to add a new Samsung TV. Now, it is going to search for nearby devices and you should be able to find your specific TV model from this list. If you do not see it here, you can use the option at the bottom, can't find your device, and follow the instructions here to help you set it up. But basically, as soon as you are in close proximity with your phone and the TV nearby, you will be able to get them connected. With this done, the Samsung TV will now be attributed to the app and you will be able to control it remotely. So you will see this digital remote just like your main one in real life. You will be able to power it on by pressing the button here, and it is going to have access to all of the functions that you might expect from your TV. So as you can see, you can use it to open applications like Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, Alexa, and you can use all of the functions just like a standard remote, but on your phone instead. So I have two examples here of how it looks, so you will be able to use it for most Samsung Smart TV models. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Smart TV Remote in mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.